Hi, people. How is everybody? I have a co-host. Caden, say hi. Caden, get your hand out of your pants. Jeez. Teenage boys. It's like Al Bundy sitting around all the time. How is everybody? I have gone all day without any makeup on. And I'm getting ready to go on the drag. I did my own fingernails last night. What do you think? Some gel nail from the Walmart. Just put my BDL primer on. Hi, Amanda. We are from a very small town, and our town, I'm going to use Fair, is we're bringing back the old high school drag. So when I was a teenager, we drove around in circles from our Sonic down to what was Gibson's. Most people probably don't even know what Gibson's is now. Anyway, it was like a small store, kind of a miniature Walmart. Anyway, and we drove around in circles, and we honked at each other, and we waved. And that was the cool thing to do in high school. So, did you drive on a drag in high school? Was that something that y'all did? I had a Chevy Cavalier. What did you drive in high school? Share it in the comment section. So anyway, we're not getting out of our cars. We are still practicing social distancing. But we are going to take the boys in the AVON minivan. My husband's not too pleased about the minivan part. I think he wanted to take his pickup. But I'm like, no, we need to take the minivan so that we'll all be comfortable. And we've got our playlist downloaded. Got some Bon Jovi and some Aerosmith and some Metallica. Gonna use my Cashmere Complexion and Tarte. We are gonna jam out in our minivan on the old drag. It's crazy, I know. And he's like, I don't know why you're putting makeup on. Nobody's gonna see you. Probably a good point, but I will feel better. Amanda says, we did that on Rogers app. See, I think everybody had an old drag. It was done a couple of communities over last week, I think. And they had people, they said the oldest man was 81. And he brought his classic car out. And it was so neat. The kids really enjoyed it. So it's just a good thing to bring your families out, to jam out to your favorite music, and just ride around. Wave and honk at your friends that you haven't gotten to see in weeks. We are on day 20 today of isolation. Ugh. So we need something to lift our spirits and get out of the house. We burned a lot of gas. Yes, but the good thing is gas is super cheap right now. And they say that there's not much demand, which makes it cheaper. So hopefully we can give them a little bit of demand. I hate it for our oil field workers. It's crazy. They said this was prices from the 50s. Gas prices from the 50s. So maybe we'll create a little bit of demand. Now, I don't know how long the boys are going to last. We're going to at least enjoy it for a little bit and get out of the house. So what are some things that you are doing or your community is doing to help celebrate each other? That is dark brown Glimmer Stick eye pencil that I just used, in case you're wondering. Oh, it is, Catherine. We are so excited. It's weird. I feel like I'm a teenager again, getting to go on the drag with my man. Except, back in the day, you got to sit next to him in the pickup truck. But now we have a minivan with captain seats. So I'm not going to be sitting next to him, right? Oh, to be old. It's so fun. Okay, going over all of that with just a little translucent loose powder. Just to kind of blend. Like I said, I'm not getting out. Nobody's going to see me. But I'll feel better if I have a little bit of makeup on. Go to the Sonic. Yes! We're going to go. We may pull into the Sonic and order Caden a milkshake. I'm not going to lie. We may do that. I'm going to use my Glimmer shadow in pink Topez for this occasion because it's got a little sparkle in it. We'll do a little sparkle on my eyes here. Just going to put that on there. And just going to pick it up, and then we're just going to touch it on the eye here. I guess you wouldn't really see much of your makeup if you're wearing your mask. I seen today where the president said, Christy, I wish you were in Bowie. You could totally go do the drag. I know, it's crazy. My sister was like, really? Y'all have to take videos. Yes, I will share a video with you guys so that y'all can see it. It will be fun. I hope that there are some older model cars so that people can, especially the kids, can see it. So the cool thing about these Glimmer shadows are they're not super powerful. They just put a little sparkle. Can y'all see that? And I just did one color. I just did the pink Topez. And you can even see when I kind of pull back a little bit, it just shades your eyes just a little bit. It's not too overpowering. You need a couple of these in your arsenal. I have purple, which I haven't, I think I've worn it once. The silver is beautiful. Beautiful. Heather, I know, I wish you were here. There's Crystal. Yes, we need a video. See, all of you guys would love doing this. So maybe you do it in your community. We're going to use our Coral Cushion blush. Do a little pat. And so did you get dressed up when you were going to go driving around? We need sparkle in our life. Yes. Did you guys get dressed up if you were going to go make the drag? Maybe thinking that you were going to see your crush or your boyfriend or meet a new boyfriend. Probably not going to happen with my two teenage boys in the back seat. Okay. So what is something that you did? What's your favorite Sonic drink? That's my question. I'm using my On Point black eyeliner to line my eyes tonight. Yes, got to get dressed up. My husband's like, that is crazy. Nobody's going to see you. And I said, I will see me and I will feel better. I'm going to be ordering a cherry limeade from the Sonic. Caden, of course, will have a milkshake. We may get Lucas like a Powerade or something. We have to thicken all of his liquids, so we have to kind of be careful about what we get because it doesn't thicken quite as well. But we'll get him a treat. Okay. Curling my lashes. Gonna use some Love Mascara. See, I mean, it really looks like a nice look with your eyes and it not being a whole lot of work. You're not having to really work a crease. I think you can see how good the Love Mascara does too whenever you mix it with that Glimmer Kiss. Caden is so excited. Mostly, I think, because he's going to get a milkshake. And because he's going to get out of the house. Oh, it's awesome, isn't it? This Love Mascara does amazing things for your lashes. It just pops and explodes. They are so cool. Oh, I shared a picture on here today. If you guys have been watching me contour with our contour stick, there's a sale on that plus the little spongy thingy. I posted a link here on the page, so y'all check that out if that's something that you're interested in, contouring those cheeks a little bit, helping your cheeks look a little bit thinner. I'm going to use our brand new, what is it, Powder Matte Lipstick in Rose Powder tonight. It's so pretty, this color. It's a powder, but it's a matte finish. It's really pretty. A pretty color. What do you think? Cherry Diet Coke. Yes, gotta dress up right. I got my outfit laid out. I was thinking about wearing my 80s outfit, and he was like, no, you are not doing that. Nobody's gonna see that hot pink tutu. Like, okay, well, I'm really a 90s kid anyway, so I'll probably just wear jeans and a t-shirt, but, you know. What time are you going? At 7, so, you know, I've got to hurry up. I will get a cherry limeade. So what's your favorite Sonic drink? Don't stop and do bad things on the drag. We won't get out and talk to people. That's the bad thing to do in society right now. Do not come in contact with people. We have to protect the boys at all costs. So we may honk and wave and stick our hands out our windows. I remember when I was in high school, a friend of ours, Mitch Keith, my mom had a minivan and we would take it on the drag and we would open the door and he would hang out the door and holler at people as I was driving. If you knew me, I wasn't a very good driver, so it was kind of dangerous, but it was fun. The good old days, right? I'm not going to let my boys hang out of the minivan door. It's not going to happen. Okay. Yes, I'm going to have my boys. We gotta teach them about the tradition. I mean, Caden is 17. He's a junior in high school. If we're in normal situations, I think about this. Chad and I were talking about this the other day. He would have his own pickup truck. He would be driving the drag with his own girlfriend next to him. So, kind of bittersweet, but that's okay because we are going to choose joy in all things in our life. We're going to celebrate where we are and what we have. And tonight, it's a night riding with my family on the drag. So we have got the makeup done. I just got to change my clothes. Thank you guys. I was somewhat of a bad driver. Thank you guys for getting ready with me tonight. I'll share video with you guys and I hope that you all have a fantastic night. I love you. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Stay home or stay away from people. Bye guys.